YouTubers, subscribers, and friends. Welcome to my channel. Good morning. It is 6:35 in the morning. Wow, look at the moon over there. That looks cool. It's in a different spot this morning. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's in the west. My daughter, my grandkids showed up just about 11:45 p.m. last night. Man, they kept me up to 2:30 in the morning. They're sleeping like little babies in there right now, but I have to get up because Larry's gonna come over here today. And they made pretty good time. They left Florida 8 o'clock Saturday morning, and they got here 11:45 p.m. Sunday night. That's their car. They had that sucker loaded down, packed full. They're all in there sleeping right now. I should go wake them up. Make them say hello to the camera. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that just because they kept me up so late last night. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
Madison.
Madison what?
Smith.
Madison Smith. What's your middle name?
Jade.
Jade?
Yeah.
Madison Jade Smith. What's your name?
Alea.
Huh?
Alea.
Alea what?
Smith. Monique.
Alea Monique Smith. And what are you guys to me?
Granddaughters.
Granddaughters. What do you guys call me?
Yay.
Yay Yay. Why do you call me Yay Yay?
That's some Chinese name of Grandpa.
Chinese name for Grandpa?
Something like that.
Why? Because why?
I don't know.
Yay Yay's Chinese?
Yep.
Yep. You guys don't look Chinese. How come? How come, cutie?
I don't know.
Can you speak Chinese?
No.
You guys are tired? You kept Yay Yay up so late last night. You tired? Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you guys sleep good last night, though?
There's just thing right here, and it's like it bothered me.
Oh, spring?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, these are my granddaughters here. And I got a secret. I got something that you don't know. You want to know what the secret is?
No, not
Oh,
yet.
that's too bad. Morning, Larry. I barely can walk, Larry. They kept me up to 2:30 in the morning. These little kidlets here. Right? I'm worn out.
Yeah.
I haven't even done anything.
Hi.
Hush! Hush!
Do you remember me?
That's going to be the switch for the air conditioning, because we're going to have it wired to the air conditioning so you can turn it off with the switch there. And Larry is putting in a box, so we have to put a GFI, right? Because the air conditioning plug comes with a built-in GFI, but we cut the plug because we're going to tap into the wiring. And we have to add a GFI right here to this. So we're doing some remodification. This is going to be a dual box. This side will be a light switch for the AC, and this will be the GFI. So if it ever kicks the power off, you just push the reset button. And that's how that's going to work. So this is what the GFI looks like. Go out here in the sunlight, you can see. See, it's got the reset button on. It's actually upside down, but this is what's going to go in that box over there. Go in this space and a light switch. And that's what it looks like with a GFI and a light switch. Did you test it for that power, Larry?
No, I don't have power.
Wet your fingers and touch the wires? Yeah! Get to the chopper! Started talking like Arnold Schwarzenegger. What's that?
You have to put an outlet in there.
A plug outlet?
Yeah, regular outlet.
Because they're connected?
Yeah, because it comes from there up to this.
Oh. This is my daughter's new Kia. What year is this?
2017.
2017?
The seats won't
dirty.
open.
Yeah, this is what it looks like from a road
You
trip.
put that on the
3 row
ground.
seating.
Is this a rental?
This is my granddaughter Leia. This is the star child right here. Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Nikolai.
Nikolai what?
Where's your garbage can?
Smith.
Nikolai Smith? What's your middle name?
Orion.
Orion. That's why we call him the star child.
Smith.
Look at the camera. Star child. That's his nickname, Star Child. Huh? His dad named him Nikolai Orion Smith because he likes to race cars, so his abbreviations to his name are NOS, N-O-S, because his dad likes racing.
I want to sit by Xavier.
Get all the stuff out of my car.
That's my daughter, Teresa. Say hi.
Hey, look at my little stash of my shoes. But now I'm scared. They're all black. They're gonna get dirty.
How many pairs of shoes you got?
Well, I only brought 4 pair.
How many you got, though?
Probably over 100.
100? Your mom's got a problem, huh?
She won't even give me 1 pair. I only have
Oh yeah.
She has
100 pairs of shoes and the kids are starving.
Look at this. Look at this, Dad.
Right?
Dad, isn't this
Right? Are you hungry? Just blink. If you can't say anything, just blink.
my lord?
Blink SOS, I'm hungry.
There's some.
Dad, look how much room. Look. When
Yeah,
you,
there.
The neutral and the ground are connected together.
See, this is
Why is it called neutral?
This is neutral. This is ground, but they're on the same bar.
Well, why is it called neutral though?
I don't know.
If it's just ground.
It's just another ground. Well, that's how AC works. It just goes from hot to ground.
We got power now. Hit that plug, Larry, so we got power. Plug in the fan in. Oops, see. It's alive! Came to AutoZone because I want to fix Larry's truck with my son-in-law. He's a mechanic. Check this out here. This is cool, man. Air fresheners. Batman. And they got Star Wars over here. Look at this. $2.99. That's cool. We're gonna get a carburetor thing for Larry's car or truck, and we're gonna fix a high idle problem he has. All right, we got the gasket here for Larry's Batmobile. My son-in-law Nick, he's going to change this gasket for Larry. He has a severe leak right here that's causing problems with his truck. And this is Larry's truck to make money, so I want to keep Larry in business. I want to help him out because he doesn't know how to do this stuff. And Nick, he's a professional, certified, school-taught, trained mechanic. And I'm going to do this for Larry. And while he's doing this, I got to carry the air conditioning unit to Larry. And we want to install this AC unit today. So killing 2 birds with 1 stone today. Alright, over here now helping Larry install this AC unit. He's already got everything framed and cut out over there. It looks great. There's a nice window. He's got the electricity hooked up to the switch over there. Plug's got power to him. Moving right along. He's drilling these holes here because we want to move this from a normal window installation to custom installation where we're going to have this set up here. So let's get up here and look. See, he's got a little lip here for that beam he's drilling up there. Oh, it's a good thing there isn't a window here. I see that ugly roof right there. We got to close this up, Larry, for my wife sees that. She'll be yelling at me about fixing that. You're like an expected father running back and forth between Larry and Nick here. Who's going to get it done first? Is Nick going to finish the gasket installation, or is Larry going to get the AC installation done first?
Larry's gonna lose.
Larry's going to lose.
He's gonna lose.
Nick, And people want to know what's it like being married to my daughter, me as a father-in-law.
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
It's very entertaining.
Very entertaining.
I'll give you. I can tell you that much. It's enjoyable. It's fun.
It's fun. You hear that, YouTubers? I'm the best goddamn father on YouTube. Right? Because there's stuff that goes on behind the scenes that people
Oh yeah,
don't know
that people
about, right?
don't even know.
People don't even know. That probably should be a channel itself, right? Called People Don't Even Know.
People don't even know.
Have to do some modification on that. It's catching right on that bottom piece there. So we'll look what it looks like on the other side. These are the little things that you don't think about when you're doing it. He's got that metal strip on the top so that would keep it from falling out. We can't get rid of these. We need these feet to keep it angled so the condensation can run out to the drain holes that are on this. What we got to do, we got to remove that plywood that he put up there, move it back, because this piece right here is going to keep it from falling out of the window, but it's hitting on the plywood he has up there, that piece right there, so I'm going to move it to behind that. It holds it in and it closes in the gap between the ceiling and the AC. So this sucker's heavy, man. Alright, we got it. This can all be filled in with insulation foam. Put a trimmer on it. But looking good. Let's see what it looks like from down here. Yeah, looks good. It's not hanging halfway in the house like the other ones over there. That thing is heavy though. That is for sure. Alright, we're gonna go to town and get Larry a spark plug because he found a screwed up spark plug. Where's that spark plug?
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
See that?
See that?
Spark plug should not do that. So it needs a new
So
one.
while we run to town to get a spark plug, and see if I bought a scratch ticket here at Willy Wonka. Nick's gonna scratch it. See if he wins. Go ahead, Nick.
Okay, you ready? 30, 44. 2.
Anything?
Nothing yet. It's not looking too promising. 30, 44.
Nothing.
Entry code. What is the second chance?
That's just something you
You gotta
mail
mail
in.
it in.
Yeah. No numbers?
30, 44, 15, 11.
You don't need glasses, do you?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, we didn't win anything on that one. There he's got the AC running, yeah. Had to run to town and get some spark plugs. Came back, the AC's on. There you go. Now we're talking. It's cool in here too when I walked in. He's got it powered to that switch right there. Yep. Now we just gotta seal all that stuff off. Man, looks good. Something fell. So Nick got this running nice and good now. Now it idles perfect. It doesn't smell like gas as strong as it was before. Put a new gasket, new spark plug, now it sounds a lot better now. The window's closed here. The AC's been running. How long do you think the AC been running? A couple hours? Yeah. It says 70 degrees over there. And it's nice and cold in here. This is perfect temperature in here. It's like 103 degrees outside right now. Larry's wiring up the plug up here. Larry just got shocked. Yeah. I just got that video, Larry. That's funny. We were just talking about turning the power off so you don't get shocked, and he just got shocked. That's funny. He's gonna go in his secret hideout.
Wait. Will I fit from
Nick, he's going in his secret hideout. You can fit under there. Put your legs that way. Yeah. He's in his secret hideout. Alright, let me cover it up. For Xavier, my son finds you. okay? You alright in there? There he goes. He's hidden. No one will find him. You're gonna put the covers on these. Oh, he's over here. Okay, my grandson, he's been playing with his drills. He loves the drill. He said he's getting tired, right? Working hard on the tiny house?
Yeah.
Helping out Grandpa? Yeah? Look at me. Hey. You working hard? Gotta drill this screw in. Alright, Larry went home. It's been a long day. We did not too much today. We got all the wiring. This is the last piece. I just gotta finish putting the plate on. We got power to the tiny house now. We can plug in the outlets here. The AC's all hooked up, working good. Keeps the tiny house nice and cold. Man, I am wore out, man. I got about 3 hours of sleep. They got in late last night, about almost midnight. And I've been up since 5:30. It is 4:50 now. I'm wore out. Between helping Larry with the tiny house, helping my son-in-law with Larry's truck. We got Larry's truck running really good now. And helping Larry with this electrical. I am bushed. So I'm going to end this video here. Go take a shower and play around with my grandkids. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. As always, remember to leave me a comment. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't subscribed already, smash that subscribe button. Don't cost anything, it's free. I gotta put up all these tools and I'm gone. You're gone.